As motivation for this course, we'll go back to 2002 and try to build a baseball team with a limited budget. Note that in 2002, the Yankees' payroll was almost $130 million, and it more than tripled the Oakland A's $40 million budget. Statistics have been used in baseball since its beginnings. Note that the data set we will be using, included in the Lamont library, goes back to the 19th century. For example, a summary statistics we will describe soon, the batting average, has been used to summarize a batter's success for decades. Other statistics such as home runs, runs batted in, and stolen bases, we'll describe all this soon, are reported for each player in the game summaries included in the sports section of newspapers, and players are rewarded for high numbers. Although summary statistics were widely used in baseball, data analysis per se was not. These statistics were arbitrarily decided on without much thought as to whether they actually predicted or were related to helping a team win. This all changed with Bill James. In the late 1970s, this aspiring writer and baseball fan started publishing articles describing more in-depth analysis of baseball data. He named the approach of using data to predict what outcomes best predict if a team wins, sabermetrics. Until Billy Beane made sabermetrics the center of his baseball operations, Bill James' work was mostly ignored by the baseball world. Today, pretty much every team uses the approach, and it has gone beyond baseball into other sports. In this course, to simplify the example we use, we will focus on predicting scoring runs. We will ignore pitching and fielding, although those are important as well. We will see how regression analysis can help develop strategies to build a competitive baseball team with a constrained budget. The approach can be divided into two separate data analyses. In the first, we determine which recorded player-specific statistics predict runs. In the second, we examine if players were undervalued based on what our first analysis predicts.